Good evening. Today we are going to see assignment number 2, that is from NPTEL. So we have different types of weldings. So that is forge welding, thermite welding, gas welding, resistance welding, electric arc welding, and here given forge welding, thermite gas, soldering welding. So soldering actually is again one type of welding, we can say, but that is not exactly welding. This is same as we are using welding to connect two materials. Similarly, in electronics, they are using soldering gun to connect two materials, and that is known as soldering. So we have option that is D, which is not they have mentioned. Now these all are given in material, that is in NPTEL. Then which of the following is a benefit of the welding process over riveting in terms of workspace? Now, if we will go to advantages of welding, then you can see 10th advantage. And we have 10th advantage. The welding process requires less work space in comparison with riveting. And therefore, we have welding requires less space work. So we have option B. So these all answers are given in materials. Then calculate the effective throat thickness QT of the fillet weld shown in figure, in which S is the size of the fillet weld. Now you can see this is given. If we will go to that material, so that is given BA equal to BC equal to S, and therefore AC we have that is equal to root 2S, and then AB square and all, or we can go with, we have this 90 degree, and then we can consider or better BD equal to AB square minus AD square. From this we will get BD is equal to S by root 2. So we have this will be S by root 2. Option is A. Then if the effective length of fillet weld is less than 4 times the size of the weld, how should the size of weld will be determined? Now here is given the effective length should not be less than, actually this is the main criteria, 4 times the size of the weld. Otherwise, now here they have mentioned size of the weld must be taken as 1/4 of the effective weld length, and we have this as 1/4 of the effective weld length. So option we have A for fourth. Then go for fifth. What is the minimum distance that a fillet weld should be written around the corner of a member? Then you can see that is given end returns. So that is same they have mentioned. A return around of length equal to twice the size of weld provided at each end of longitudinal fillet weld around the corner, that is at each end, and we have that is twice the weld size. Then we have next in a butt joint, if thickness of packing plate is 8 mm, then calculate the reduction factor BPKG due to packing plate. Now we have this formula given, reduction factor for packing plate. If it is greater than 6 mm, so we have packing plate that is 8 mm. So we can have over this packing plate as 8 mm. So we have this formula beta PKG, and that is equal to 1 minus 0.0125 into 8. And when we will calculate this 0.0125 into 8, then we have 0.125 into 8. So this will be 0.1. So we have 1 minus 0.1, and this value comes 0.9. And therefore we have option as C. So these are the 6 questions which we have seen in the first video, that is of assignment number 2. So now we will stop here only. The remaining part we will see in the second. Thank you.